gift of life. Allahumma arzuqna murafaqat al-awliya waj'al lana waliyan murshida. You gave me the gift of life, the yearning for paradise, the secret of how to love Allah. Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah. My heart in deepest wonder unfolds a mystery, the secret of existence, a life of love and giving, to strive and sacrifice, to guide the lost to light, like the moonlight on the water, like the sun of the mid-morning, like the star-strewn field of heaven. You shine and guide, like a mirror glass reflecting. In your soul shines the perfection of the chosen and beloved Mustafa. Allahumma arzuqna murafaqat al-awliya waj'al